like going out on a date, like eating, getting to know each other, drinking, but I always guard myself when it comes to like having sex.
Hey everyone, my name is DJ Tony Tony,
And I'm Doc Rika.
and welcome to Under the Covers.
With me, no cover right now.
Wha- My gosh. All right, so this is a sexual educational podcast that's trying to be, shame free?
We're not trying to be shame-free. We are shame-free.
Okay. all
We
right.
are...
Well, I'm trying to be shame free
But
and
mahiya ka pa?
non-judgmental.
Mahiya ka pa? What?
I love this episode. This was a great episode.
Yeah, tingnan natin kung mahiya ka talaga.
This one is actually pretty interesting. I've known our guest for more than 20, maybe 24 years. And it just proves for all the girls out there na duda sila sa partner nila na their best friend is a girl. This proves that guys can have friends as women. Because the two people today, Doc Rika and Viva Hot Babe,
Yeah.
influencer, model, podcaster, and she's also a pole dancer.
Yeah.
She's a vlogger now as well. We have Sherry.
Hello, everyone. Ah! Hello, neighbors. Neighbors in different years.
Exactly. She's been my neighbor for more than 20 years, and I have not made a move on her.
I have not talaga. Parang may yet
Yet.
come.
Not.
Yet is to come.
Yet. And
Parang
so
may
it
parating
proves.
pa.
Diba?
Yeah.
It can
It can.
happen.
It can.
You can have a beautiful girl as a best friend, even if you're of the opposite sex. Maraming girls do that eh.
But
Actually.
they would think, parang nung sa atin, they thought that we were having
Well, I didn't know, but apparently, a lot of girls
Yeah.
would ask her if there's anything going on.
Yeah.
Ikaw din, di ba?
Yeah, ako din. Kasi, syempre, hello, Tony yan eh. 'Di ba? And we live in like the same building and we see each other like every night after no? After going out. And I'm like, shit, dumating si Tony. Sabay pa talaga yung sasakyan namin. Nakapark ng ganon. And I'm like, wag muna tayong bumaba. Hintayin natin na bumaba yung sa kabilang car. Ang tagal din niya. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Ang tagal naman. Eto na. Sige na nga, ako na nga lang mauuna. Biglang sabay kami nag-off ng car. Sabay kami bumaba. Shit! Sabay kami sa elevator. Awkward.
So awkward kasi
Hi, Tones.
ako, walang kasama.
Hi,
Siya
Shirley.
palagi may kasama.
Uy, hindi naman.
Bakit awkward sa inyong dalawa at that time?
Kasi, hindi ko alam. Pero pag nagkikita naman
It's
kami na
almost
kami
like a
ng
walk of
dalawa lang.
shame for,
Oo.
for us eh.
Pero pag kaming dalawa lang, parang okay naman kami. Uy,
Yeah.
Tony, oh my God, nakita kita kagabi. Grabe yung ano ha. Sino yung kasama mo?
Pero
Ganyan.
kapag
So,
may
parang
kasama,
naglolokohan
diba?
kami. Pero, oo.
For us, we're okay. But
Yeah.
I think for her and the guy, it's a bit of
Oh.
eggshell.
Kasi syempre iisipin din nung guy na parang,
Oh shit, he lives in the building?
siguro may something kayo, no? Ganun. So ako naman parang wala talaga. Siya naman, ganun din on his part. So sabi ko, ang weird, no? Pero wala eh. Parang masyado tayong comfortable sa isa't isa
Well,
as
I don't know about you,
friends.
but I controlled my may discipline ako. Ikaw, baka wala.
So, alam mo yun, parang ako naman, parang, I feel like, he's someone na parang, marami akong matututunan dito. Alam mo yun, yung parang,
You don't want to ruin the friendship?
I don't wanna ruin the friendship eh. Kasi 'di ba if you're with a friend and then something happened to you, there's a really big possibility na magiging FO yun.
Okay.
Kasi you will hate that person, di
Pero
ba?
yun eh. I think that's what we're gonna talk about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this
today,
episode
no?
about?
It's
Oh.
about dating, modern dating. And before, nung nakita niyo yung each other na may kasama, you were dating those people, right?
Yeah.
For sure, iba na yung dynamics ngayon.
Yeah, I think there's so
Kasi pero ako
many
yung single. Dapat pala ako
there's so many
yung
terms now. I'm on dating apps still, right? I don't on there all the time, but even the language that they use, what they're looking for.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's totally different. So 2026, we're gonna find out how we can communicate better, how to protect ourselves in the dating world, and emotional safety. I think that's important.
Safety.
Because some of us are are ready to go all in 100%, but some of us are not.
Are not, yeah.
Right? Are I think they call it their EQ, emotional quotient. Are you ready to be committed to the commitment, while others are f boy or playing around? So you really need to establish
Yeah.
where you're at. And I like how the modern dating, even though it's difficult, but it's easier to find someone, but harder to keep it together in this day and age.
Yes. Iba na rin talaga yung dynamic.
Grabe
and the
ngayon.
pace. So, you're dating.
Dating.
Casually or as they say on these dating apps, I love it because
I don't go on dating apps, but
okay.
I like meeting people kasi.
Okay,
I
so-
still like the
Old school way.
old school way.
so now the definition of old school dating, I think now
Yeah.
is they use the word intentional. So kung wala kang time to text, call, make time, quality time with that person that you've just met,
Huwag ka
mag-swipe
na
left ka na.
Yeah.
Swipe left. Don't waste my time. I don't want to waste your
But
time.
it's kind of scary eh. For me the app kasi I tried it also when I was in the US. Kasi syempre pag nandito, they would know who I am, 'di ba? So
Yeah, yeah.
sabi ko ayoko kasi parang
kasi madami yun.
it's harder eh na parang makikita ka tapos uy, si Sherry nasa
Oo,
ano?
nasa Tinder.
Ganito na ba siya sa akin lang
Parang
ha.
desperate?
Parang desperate, parang ganun. So, I don't wanna be on that, alam mo yun,
Yeah.
position. So, when I was in the US, I actually tried doing Bumble. Bumble
Okay.
ba? Or
Yeah, Bumble.
sa dating app. Apparently, it's not for me. Kasi, iba yung itsura nila sa pictures and then when you see them in person.
Oh,
Ano tawag doon?
catfish.
Parang-
dating.
Catfish.
Alam mo yung parang ang pogi nila sa picture, tapos pagdating in person, parang ano to?
Naka-filter sila.
Parang hindi naliligo, parang gano'n, tapos ano to?
As-
ang
you know,
pogi nila sa
okay.
dating app nila, tapos when you see them in person, nakasando na,
So-
parang natulog sa sasakyan ng mga ilang...
Number
Wala
one
palang
rule
bahay.
for anyone that's dating in online or apps, number one rule is to verify. And you only get to verify through video chat. Video chat is almost like OTP. Your one-time pin, you never give it away. This
But there's AI
But
na.
still, nagbi-video pa rin.
what, changing?
Yeah, no, I
You
mean
can't
like...
change it on the app. Huh?
Hindi, pero...
Filter.
No, you
Oo.
can on the Bumble app. You cannot. You cannot.
So
Pero
you
naka-
can
That's
Ayaw
why
na
they
nakaayos.
ask you to go to
video
another app.
through Bumble app.
You cannot. You cannot. There's
so it's the app itself
That's
that
why
gives you
some of
security.
if they don't want to go on
Maybe
Bumble
they
to
should be-
FaceTime, that means alam mo na red flag na yan.
Wait lang, maybe
After
you should
nun,
be
ayoko
sponsored
na.
by Bumble. I know
Okay,
that.
okay. Bleep it if you want. But
After nun, wala na eh.
it's a red flag for
Yeah.
me. Even though you see my profile there, it says for podcast purposes. I'm doing it. May disclaimer ko.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'll
But
let
you
you read it.
know, in
Read
the
it.
Philippines kasi, around 40% of people really use dating apps.
Yeah.
Like Tinder and Bumble. So, nandun sila, yun yung pool. And to meet people outside of it, medyo, yun nga, old school na.
Yeah, oo.
Right? So, kapag ikaw, you wanna meet more people, where do you go? Or what do you do?
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, I don't really like look for it anymore. So, apparently, yung mga friends ko lang, yung parang, hoy, single ka ngayon, di ba? May friend ako na gusto kang
So,
mamit.
referral system.
So, it's like more of, yung kakilala nung kakilala ko. And then I'd be like, oh my God, baka addict yan or baka ano yan. Siyempre, di ba,
kailangan
parang,
may vetting system.
I like,
Sino ba friends mo?
and I like knowing people. Kasi hindi mo naman alam kahit mabait yung friend mo, pero
Ay,
yung
ay, ay.
kilala niya.
Lifestyle.
Oo. Di ba?
Right.
Hindi, you can't,
Siguro na
tell.
ano ka na.
Or
Nadali ka na.
traumatized. So, kumbaga parang I'd rather meet people na kilala talaga nung mga kakilala ko. Para, if ever, malalaman ko na, mabait ba to? Is he like, a drug addict or syempre yun yung pinaka-ayoko talaga eh. Yun yung ina-avoid ko. Kasi
You've been down that path.
yeah, and it's very scary, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Parang I can't relate to that. So, I'd rather meet people na in the same wavelength
Aligned.
aligned kasi
Malalaman mo yan eh as you talk to the person.
yeah,
And,
oo.
but for me kasi I don't yun mga walls ko are very tough.
Yeah.
So I really like to dissect and
Me din.
and do
Kikilalanin.
diligence.
Yeah.
muna.
Yeah, as in yung dinner muna, and then let's go drinking muna, and then
Oo.
let's
So, parang old
get together.
school, old
Alam mo
school
yung
way
get to know
talaga.
muna, kaysa yung diretsong, alam mo yun, you meet, and then you go in bed agad, parang ganun, parang hindi ko siya.
Are
hookup
you
culture.
Oo.
What
are
it's
you able
called.
to departmentalize na kahit nag-sex kayo, hindi ka may in love? Kasi yung ibang girls,
Hindi
pag
eh.
nag-sex,
Marupok ako eh.
nai-in love eh. Agad-agad eh.
Na-in love ako
Oo,
eh.
okay.
Once I get
Kaya
to
tayo
know,
hindi nag-sex
once
eh.
I get to know the person, kaya
Kaya
tayo
pala.
hindi nag-sex.
Kaya pala. Now I know why.
So once I get to know the person, and then,
Ayoko yung ganyan.
Diba?
I
Yung-
get scared na ganyan, na sex, like,
oo, nakakatakot.
And then they fall in love.
eh.
Yeah,
Oo. Kasi parang, ako pa naman, I'm very clingy as a person. Yung, gusto ko yung naaamoy, gusto ko yung nakakausap, alam mo yun, gusto ko yung kinikilig ako, gusto ko yung ganon. Pero bastos ako. Straightforward ako. Kaya nga sometimes people would think na parang, madali to. Parang pag first meeting ka agad, parang akala mo, hahalikan ka na kaagad.
Yeah.
Wait lang ha. Parang, don't kiss me, don't touch me on the first date. Kasi, bastos ako magsalita, I'm very straightforward. But pag hinawakan mo na ako, parang yung sarili ko lang, may limit ako.
Okay.
Parang meron akong wall.
those are your boundaries.
Yeah.
talaga.
So parang kumbaga magbastusan tayo, get to know each other.
Usapan
Like, anong
muna.
gusto mo in bed, like
Okay.
anong favorite position mo, pero don't touch me. Alam mo yun, yung parang huwag mo akong hawakan kasi gusto ko lang naman malaman you as a person.
So, easy to talk, hard to get.
Yes, ganon. So,
Baliktad. Baliktad.
easy to get.
Hard.
Just hard. Just hard.
Just hard. But I guess that's a difference, diba?
Kaya pala, Tony, now I know, now I
Kaya pala-
realize.
Kaya wala neighbors lang tayo talaga eh. Hindi tayo tutugma eh.
wait lang.
Talaga eh.
Hindi tayo nag-align.
Balik natin doon sa modern. I think yun yung difference because parang for us, 'di ba?
Yeah.
For us kailangan kilalanin muna natin before we get to
Yeah.
get to bed with them. Kasi pagka naipag-sex ka na, meron ng onting intimacy doon.
Exactly.
So it's like very different from the hookup culture that
Yeah.
the Gen Z people have now.
Yeah.
Right? Na ano lang, dating app, they meet and then they
No,
talk
it's
na.
easy to meet and easy to and get in touch.
Yes.
Before, you have to make extra effort
Mm-hmm.
to meet someone, to talk to someone. It's actually, you actually have to go up to a stranger.
Mm-hmm.
Ngayon, you can send to all.
Yun nga.
Yeah.
As many.
Send to all.
Dati, if someone came,
Pare-pareho
if
message.
someone came up to you back then and asked,
Actually,
hey,
may
can I follow
experience
you?
akong ganyan.
Can I follow you pa
May
lang?
experience akong
What the
ganyan.
F? 20, 30 years ago, if someone said, can I follow you? Fuck no. I'm gonna fucking follow me. Now, it's like, yeah.
Follow me.
Follow me on IG.
Pero-
this is what I'm wearing tonight.
Wait lang, may
This is my bikini
na-experience
photos.
ka na.
Oo, may
Parehong
experience akong
message.
ganun yung like, for example, hindi niya alam na friends kami
Oo.
nung girl na message niya. Tapos yung message niya, naka-secret
Chat,
message,
oo.
naka-secret chat. So apparently, the guy pala merong girlfriend or asawa or something, live-in partner. So mini-message niya kaming dalawa nung girl na hindi niya alam
Magkaibigan
na magkaibigan kami. Knowing me, kasi nga, I wanna know if this guy
Yeah.
is legit, di ba, na mabait. So sabi ko, kilala mo ba to si ganyan?
Yeah.
Tapos sabi niya, ay oo, naku, nag-ano yan, nagme-message yan sa akin, naka-secret chat,
Oo.
ganun. Sabi ko, patingin nga. So, nag-compare notes kami. Oh my God, send to all. I swear.
Diba?
Tapos, same time like, kunyari, good morning. Tapos, may heart, tapos may sunshine. Pa-check nga. Same, pati time.
May talong.
Wala pa namang talong kasi
Wala pa.
syempre papakyut pa lang.
Nagpapakute
pa lang.
Tapos biglang pagtingin ko sa kanya, oh my God, same time. So sabi ko, send to all to. Alam mo yun, oh my God. Tapos paglaruan natin. So ang ginagawa namin, pinagtitripan naming dalawa. Alam mo yun, yung parang, sige, akin ka na lang. Alam mo yung mga ganun. Tapos,
Oo.
o sige, asan ka ba today? Tapos, tara, kunyari, i-meet natin, ganun. So, ganun yung trip namin. nung
Play
came-
around with it.
Oo,
yeah.
we play around, pero nakakatawa.
Because he's playing with you.
Yeah, so tawang-tawa kami. Kasi alam mo yung parang, tas, hindi kasi meron akong ngayon may work ako ngayon, ganyan. Puntahan kita sa work. Tas ganun din yung sagot ng isang friend ko. Sabi ko, baka nahalata na niya nung mga later on. Kasi, pareho din kami ng sagot.
Okay.
So, pinagtripan din namin na pareho
He
natin
knows,
yung
he
sagot
knows.
natin. Oo.
But for our viewers out there, Sherry, the reason why we picked you is because you have a very colorful and very interesting, I guess, dating
Life.
background. Yeah, dating life.
yeah.
You've always been someone that has been always wanting to be in a relationship. You're not just kalat.
Before.
You're not just kalat. You've always wanted to be in one.
Yeah.
Tell us, I guess, a little bit about your dating history. You don't have to name names, ha?
It's always matagal eh.
But
Yeah.
the dating history was you had your first boyfriend was what? At what
5
age?
years.
Okay.
I have,
Okay. In your teens.
yeah.
Okay.
Before Viva Hot Babe.
During Viva Hot Babes na. Kasi
But
I
you
grew
were
up.
so young when
yeah.
you came in the industry.
Yeah,
You
I
were
was.
just brand new from Cagayan, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Super, super nene. I came
Yeah.
from a very conservative family. Actually, talagang, yung lola ko, Spanyol yung training. Kailangan 6 o'clock nasa bahay ka na. Pag wala ka sa bahay ng 6 o'clock, sarado yung pinto. Matutulog ka sa labas ng bahay, ganun. So, nung nakawala ako, oh, I'm free! Alam mo yun, pero
Ilang taon ka nun?
secret. I was young.
I'm first
But,
met her when
yeah, I was
she's just bago, starting her career.
Yeah, I was starting my career. And then, syempre, pag nung nakalabas na ako, but you know what? Tumanim sa isip ko eh. Like, I really remembered what my grandma would tell me na parang, pag pariwara ka na babae, walang magsiseryoso sa'yo, babastusin ka, buntisin ka lang, tapos iiwan ka, ganun. So, nasa isip ko yun. So, that's why I'm very careful with, like, having sex with a lot of people, or like, sleeping around. I like going out on a date, like eating, getting to know each other, drinking. But I always guard myself when it comes to like having sex, and parang nakatanim lagi sa isip ko na magiging madumi kang babae, ganun. Like, yun yung nasa isip
That's a
ko
stigma.
lagi.
Parang
Yeah.
ikaw, diba?
That's the
Makakabuntis ka.
Oo,
Yeah,
so yun
that's
yung
the-
parang nasa isip ko lagi from
That's the
my
stigma,
grandma. So, when I had a relationship, yun na lang din yung masama. Kasi, when I have a boyfriend one time na he was actually physically
Abusive.
abusive, I thought it was normal. I thought it was love.
Yeah.
So, yun yung naging problem ko with my first relationship.
And that
Parang-
was when you're entering pa showbiz.
Yeah, I was entering showbiz pa, so wala pang, kakastart ko pa lang. So every time na may bago akong magazine, buntal, alam mo yung parang, there's always like
I remember that. I
yeah,
remember
I
that.
was really like
Really-
battered.
Really, really violent.
Because of what you do?
Yeah.
Siloso siya. Tapos ayaw niya na magkaroon ako ng break siguro kasi he wants me all
To
To
himself.
himself. Parang control.
Oo. And then, knowing me, syempre, that's my dream. My dream talaga na to be an actress ever
Love is
since
the
I was
total
a
opposite.
kid.
It's freedom. Having that
Oo.
complete freedom.
So, parang kumbaga, it was an abusive relationship. And then, nung bago ko siya nahiwalayan, parang sinasabi niya sa akin na wala nang siseryoso sa'yo kasi ako nang nakaano sa'yo, parang laspag ka na, parang ganon. Parang nag-stick sa mind ko yun. Nagkaroon ako ng trauma actually. And then, the next one, actually, it was
Yeah.
1 mig.
Yeah.
So, he saved me from that
Okay.
relationship, abusive relationship. So, okay din, nagtagal din naman yung relationship namin, but it didn't really last that long. Kasi nga, I think with men, naturally talagang, alam mo yung, pag nagsawa na sila sa babae, yung ganun, iba na naman. And so then, but I really had long relationships. Hindi yung parang saglit lang yung ganun. It was always like years na together. Like 3 years, 5 years.
And then
The last one was 8 years in a
8
relationship.
years.
Wow.
But now, right? Because you said you want to meet people, you're not really dating. Is it difficult as a celebrity?
It is difficult kasi parang people would automatically think na pag, like, for example, me, I'm in a sexy, like, my image is really
Yeah.
doing sexy movies, sexy contents, and then yung kalokohan ko pa, my mouth pa is very bastos. So people would automatically think na, madali lang tong babaeng to. But hindi nila alam na I like digging on people's mind or brains.
Yeah.
Kasi I like learning a lot about people. I like learning about lives of people. I like digging on other people's experiences. I like doing that. So, it's more of like, I like getting to know people. And then sometimes people would think na, madali lang to. So,
You're just-
parang they try to
Yeah.
get into my pants.
Yeah.
And then they get disappointed
That they don't.
that they don't.
Oh.
So, minsan parang, yun lang yung nagiging dilemma ko.
We're both misunderstood,
Yeah.
just different
Ay,
contexts.
sinama siya.
We're both misunderstood. You do your reputation is because of what you do for a living, and my reputation is because of what I say for a living. So
And naturally kasi, malambing talaga ako. I'm a very clingy person. Like, if I'm
Okay.
comfortable with
Yeah,
girls,
yeah.
boys,
Yeah.
gusto ko yung, I like hugging, I like,
Very affectionate.
oo,
guy.
I think that's my love language. Gustong
Yeah.
gusto ko yung hinahug yung tao, lalo na pag,
did we get a group hug? Any of you guys? Group hug na ba tayo today? We
Parang
forgot to do our
gustong-gusto ko
group-
yung ano.
In the show,
yeah.
we're all one. And before we start the show, we usually give a group hug.
Yeah.
Lahat kami, group hug.
Tapos nagdadasal.
It's always been, instead of praying, we group hug, but we forgot today. So, after na lang.
Oo.
Oy,
Sabi
Direk,
nga niya sa akin
i-punch mo
kanina
yung
kung
group hug natin
nakaupo
for
daw
today.
ba ako sa lap, okay lang. Sabi, ko,
Oh.
okay lang naman.
Pwede naman.
Pero may period ako today ha, so baka lang.
Alam mo yung favorite putahe ko sa
Dinuguan.
Can I order puto?
Yung may atay pa.
Si Manuel. Nasaan si Manuel?
So baka pag natagusan ako, sorry
Nagkakaroon tayo dito.
Okay. Oh, okay. Let's get back. All right. Let's talk about no labels. Why you think some guys like no labels and friends with benefits setups.
Ikaw ba nagkaroon ka na ng
Oh,
friend,
yeah, naman. I think lahat naman
friend
tayo.
with benefit?
We go through those kind of things, 'di ba? Pero ang problem kasi sa akin, na-attach ako. Kumbaga parang
So you already know.
Pang-ilan? Pang-ilan?
before
Pang-ilang
pag yung
sex bago ka ma-attach?
kaagad.
Kaagad.
Lahat ba?
Ang rupok ko no, grabe.
You've never done one night stand na,
No.
okay, sex lang to ha?
No.
No.
No, I mean,
No,
just to...
oo. Parang nauulit siya, tapos nai-inlove ako, tapos
Yun.
broken hearted
Yung
ako.
nauulit.
Ganon, oo.
Yun kasi.
Try mo
I
sa
think-
akin.
I think this
Na,
is...
at saka mahilig ako mag-alaga. Yun ang problema sa akin. Alam mo yung gusto kong alagaan, yung kunyari yun lang yung gusto, di ba, na parang...
Sex lang.
Sex lang. Pero hindi pag nai-inlove ako, pagdating niya sa bahay, naka-ready na yung
Oh.
bathtub for him. Parang
inaalagaan
kumbaga,
mo talaga
oo, parang nai-inlove kasi ako. Yun ang problema
So,
ko talaga.
There's a...
There's a lot of guys na
So,
girlfriend
nabobroken
experience-
hearted ako talaga.
Girlfriend experience lang ang tawag dyan eh.
Oo.
So he treats you everything
Like a girlfriend.
Like a girlfriend. No labels lang, but may respect. But
Yeah.
he just doesn't want labels.
Yeah, wait lang. I just need to say this. Kasi during that time, when I was on Boys Right, madaming mga babaeng nagtatanong sa akin. Because nga, it's the same with Tony. They have sex with Tony and then they start falling for Tony. So they ask me,
So, kilala mo.
Alam mo,
kilala ko talaga
this
kasi
podcast is becoming fake news na, ha?
wait.
Ang ina, ano ba to?
I sense yung sasabihin ko. So they would ask me, and I say, if you're having sex with him, on a schedule, like regularly,
Wow,
constantly,
may schedule. May Monday, Tuesday,
parang,
Thursday.
kunyari,
Tony.
every
Uy,
week
meron
or
akong mangga.
every 2 weeks, you will really fall in love with him.
Oo.
Because the hormones,
Yeah.
everything, di ba? Yun yung, you're putting yourself up for like a heartbreak.
Yeah.
So, if you just wanna have sex with him, kasi magaling siya may pag-sex, space it out na parang once
Magaling ba si Tony? Talaga?
Once every 3 months, ganyan. Or once every 6 months, para hindi ka ma-in love. I mean, that's what I told
Oh, really?
his girls.
Oh, ganun pala.
Yes.
So, nag-work naman.
Hindi ko alam, pero parang... But there's science.
Marami ba to?
There's science behind it though. If you
Oh.
really have sex with someone constantly and regularly,
Oo, kasi totoo
it's
yan.
inevitable that
Is it
you
the
will
DNA?
be
No, because you know
intimate with
why?
another.
Yeah.
So much so that there's really no casual sex.
No.
When we say casual sex, that it's like, okay, wham bam, thank you ma'am, it's just for pleasure. It doesn't exist. Because
Yeah.
even in the sexual act itself, you are being intimate.
Yeah, that's true.
Towards the other person. I think that's a misconception with the hookup culture.
What about
Hindi, kasi
sex workers? Paano yun? Like,
May intimacy pa rin yun.
Okay.
Oo.
And you would be surprised na with sex workers, nag-uusap sila. I mean, nagsasabihan sila ng problema because
Yeah.
Wala
Kasi nga, kaya nga yung iba, di ba, parang binabahay sila, yung mga
Oo.
ganun. Kasi, like, ako, for me, having sex with someone, it's like you're connecting soul to soul.
Yes.
It's like you're exchanging energy with this person.
so how's my energy?
Haven't tried it yet.
Gusto mo 12, ilang volts? Ilang volts kailangan?
Parang alien world no yung nakaganon lang.
But the whole point is,
Diba?
kailangan talaga may emotional safety as part of having sex.
Tsaka hindi masarap, Doc, yung nagsisex kayo just for sex. Kasi, I've also experienced it. Alam mo yung makikipag-sex ka lang, kasi there was one time I was broken-hearted. So I was like, sige na nga, I'll try nga to have sex with this guy, ganun, kahit hindi ko siya,
We were neighbors still?
no, hindi na tayo neighbors nun. But alam mo yung parang, sige na nga, just, parang, para lang magkaroon lang ng kasama. Hindi siya enjoyable. I mean, hindi mo siya maaalala.
Yeah,
No,
hindi
it's
siya...
like a Band-Aid
hindi siya-
solution.
Hindi siya memorable, tapos hindi ka nagwe-wet. Alam mo yung
Yes.
parang dry ka lang. Kasi parang,
Well, you're not emotionally there eh.
yeah, yun nga parang hindi siya masarap. Parang hindi ko na-feel yung, iba yung pag gusto mo yung tao na,
Well-
yung magmo-moan ka ng masarap.
Pag safe ka involved.
Oo, yung parang ang sarap-sarap ng pakiramdam pag dinidilaan niya yung buong katawan mo, pag inaano niya yung ears mo, ganon. It's something na mai-enjoy mo. Pero yung nakikipag-sex ka lang, pag dinidilaan ka sa tenga, parang,
Oo.
diring-diring
Alam
ka, parang,
mo,
ganon.
That's also... Wait.
Diba? Parang siyang,
Tala,
parang
let
ganon.
me just, let me just make this legit. Kasi there are studies talaga na with casual sex, kunyari, yun,
One night stand.
one night stand,
Okay.
lugi talaga ang mga babae.
Why?
Kasi
Why
they
lugi?
don't enjoy.
Yeah.
Kasi the first sex
Kan-
for women,
pretend na lang.
Oo,
yung
How
iba.
about if the guy's really good?
hindi pa rin eh. Kasi you're guarded eh.
Yeah.
Kasi parang you're feeling like you're being
No, what if there's
judged.
been a year of conversation?
Oh, iba yun.
Iba yun.
Siyempre, iba yun.
So, casual is yung iniisip na lang ang hookup culture na you just have sex.
Yeah.
Okay,
for
okay,
it.
okay.
Lugi ang babae.
Ako, I take my time eh. My one night stand is 1 year of conversation eh.
Yun kasi may
Iba naman
intimacy,
yun.
May intimacy
Oo,
na yun.
may intimacy
Matagal
na
ako
yun.
ma-warm up. Parang diesel ako eh.
Oo.
So,
Pero
pag
yung
one night stand,
mag-meet
gusto
lang
ko-
kayo, like for example, Bumble, and then you meet someone,
Okay.
and then magsisex kayo, parang ganun, wala siyang,
Di siya masaya.
di siya masarap, gets mo? Yung it's like
Oo.
parang may pumasok lang, tapos may dumila, parang pelikula,
Yeah.
parang nasi-shooting, ganun. So, hindi siya masarap. Hindi siya yung parang, oh my God, hindi ka hihiga tapos nakatingin ka sa kisame na parang,
Well, maybe because there's
Ganun,
the
yung
after...
walang ganon.
The post... The after...
No,
the
hindi
post... Ano?
talaga.
Tawag doon?
Hindi, after sex care.
Post-sex?
oo.
Post-sex.
Oo,
intimacy.
syempre
Aftercare?
masarap
Yun ba pag
oo,
bumuli ka ng kotse?
aftercare.
Di ba pag bumuli ka ng kotse, oh, sir, how's the car? Oh, if you need any service. Di ba? So, post-sex, what do you call that? Cuddling,
Yung ano,
kissing,
spooning,
Doesn't
spooning.
matter.
spooning.
Oo.
Doesn't
Wala.
matter. The sex itself, the sexual encounter itself, if it's just casual, quote unquote, and hindi kayo connected nung partner
Yeah.
mo. Wala kayong intimacy and emotional safety involved. Hindi siya masarap. Lugi
Hindi.
talaga yung
Oo.
mga babae.
Lugi.
Lugi.
Yung lalaki, yes, magi-enjoy,
I don't know.
di ba?
I wouldn't
Ayan,
know.
exactly.
I would not know.
Yung lalaki magi-enjoy. Kasi, syempre, parang, yeah, alam mo yun.
I
parang,
got you. I
laman
conquered
loob
you.
to, ganon. Laman
Well,
loob
for
to,
me, I
laman
think
loob din.
I think the reason why I'd hope to think I want to think that I've never been in that position only because I've
You're a
always
man.
talked about sex to the person, and I will never sleep with someone who is unsure. 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%. Ayoko. I want to make sure that they know who I am. I want to make sure we're aligned in conversation. Maybe before, wham bam, thank you, ma'am. But the past few years, hindi naman ako ganyan eh. I really want to know if, okay, are we like mentally, are we there? Are you
You like
comfortable?
me,
Are you
ganon.
safe?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah,
do
of
you,
course.
do you want to have sex?
So how
or
do
you don't?
how do you ask?
Yeah,
For
how do you
example,
ask?
should we have
Just-
sex?
just- no, are you comfortable just coming over? Or you wanna meet up? Let's have a meal. Let's talk.
Okay.
If
Have
it's
a
a no,
meal and then I'll eat you after, ganon.
yan.
Yeah.
Yan.
Ganon.
Diba?
Yan mo
Hoy,
sinasabi.
nag-text ako sa'yo, hindi ka nag-reply. Ganyan. I said, you want a meal? No reply. Scene zone.
Ibig sabihin,
Hindi ka kumakain.
ayaw, oo.
Hindi ka kumakain.
Pero wait lang. Sige, you're dating, diba? Or you're seeing people.
Okay.
How do you ask? Kunyari, who asks kung what are we?
Oh, I
Kasi
never
ako
asked what are we. Wala yan sa vocabulary ko. Oh, what are we? I think I've always laid the grounds where this is it.
Okay.
And you have to communicate that if it's just
Eh,
no
paano pag
labels.
sinabi ng babae
No
na-
labels. And most of the women are the ones.
Yeah, totoo yan.
And
That-
a lot of
who
them
ask?
a lot of them approach because she's the expert. Oy, doc, ano bang problema to?
Yeah.
What's wrong with this guy?
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, and those are my
But
boundaries.
how do you want
But I
to
always
be
have-
asked? For
Like,
example.
sa guys.
No, usually the girl will go. It's either she will go, hey,
I'm falling for you. Ganon.
yeah, or I'm getting tired of this setup.
Oh.
I'm getting tired of this. I want something more. I want something more
Ang galing
emotionally.
ng pagka-frame.
Ganun pala yung pagtanong, I'm getting tired of this
Not,
setup.
I'm falling for you.
Magamit nga yan dyan. Joke lang.
No, because
Magamit nga yan.
because I've always tried to
Getting
make it a
tired
point
of this
that
setup.
I've always tried to
Ikaw
make it a
yung may
point
power.
that
Diba?
even if we are not boyfriend girlfriend, even though we're not in a relationship, but we've had some great times. We've shared a bed. We've
Yeah.
exchanged fluids. Communicate with me what you're thinking, what you're feeling, and I'll tell you how I feel. I can only be honest, so I want you to be honest. But it gets blurred because the communication gets cut off. Someone is assuming it's gonna happen more, or the guy is
Yeah.
assuming that it's okay because I've already reiterated where my boundaries are 1 year, 2 years, or 3 months, 4 months, 5 months ago. But you, as a person who's not into labels or isn't looking for a long-term relationship because I enjoy my freedom, you always, for me, it's my responsibility to always communicate that, yo,
Your
I'm not,
boundaries.
I'm
Yeah, you
not
have your
moving, I'm not
boundaries.
budging.
Wait
Yeah.
lang.
But you always have to tell me how you feel about it.
Yes.
Do you want to stay or do you want to go? And so when I feel like the girl, it's getting intense in terms of drama. I'm a drama-free guy. My thing is POE, POM, peace of my mind, peace of mind. I always want peace of mind. That's the most valuable commodity or asset that I have for me. I just want peace of mind.
So when the girl wants to have a relationship with you, just run.
I don't run. I say, hey,
No, he says, no,
No.
I can't.
no,
Yeah.
no, I choose not to because it's
Hindi
a
niya kaya.
choice.
Okay.
Because
so if
there's-
the guy will
Ayaw
tell you,
niya.
Tony, can we
But
make this
I can do
into a relationship? Ganun. So you just tell the girl na, no, I don't want to be in a
I go, you
relationship.
can, you if you wanna stick around, stick around. If not, if you want something more, then
Yeah.
Go.
you
But-
it's
Pero
difficult.
you've never, like
I've
fell
liked-
in love? Or
No, I have, but love does not make my decisions. Love is a choice for me.
Mas practical siya eh.
Ang lalaki, no?
Pragmatic.
No,
and
I'm
practical
different.
siya.
I'm different.
Oo.
I'm different. Because Sam and Slick,
Yeah.
They got the bug. They got the bug.
Wait. What I want to put out there
They got the love
is,
bug.
is
Yeah.
this. I guess we can use, not we, you said you can use it, na if you feel that you are in a situationship
Yeah.
and hindi siya nagle-level up, you can actually use the I'm getting tired of this setup
Yeah.
as opposed to
Please.
where are we or
Yeah.
what are we? Why? Because when you say you're getting tired of this setup, ikaw yung may power.
Yes.
You own it.
Yes.
But if you say, what are we or where are we, nakaka-turn
You're
off yun.
giving them the choice. Yeah, that's true.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and you are now putting yourself in a compromise where you don't really want, but because matagal na kayo, or you've spent so much time, you invested so much of your hard-earned emotions, but yet why are you compromising something that you don't want to do for someone that you hope that will change, hope that will want something more?
Okay, meron akong tanong sa'yo. Kasi say parang, you really get to know the other person. So what if you get to know this person and then parang na in love ka na, but the other person's vague? What do you do?
I move on. I mean, kasi I always value myself more than the relationship. Kasi syempre, if I don't value myself, then I won't be able to find that perfect person for me, di ba? So if that person I'm with is not really giving me that, like,
What you want.
what I want.
Parang hindi nire-reciprocate.
yeah, hindi na I move on. Kasi there's a lot of naman eh.
Fish in the sea.
Fish in the sea.
Yeah.
Diver pa ako, so mahilig ako lumangoy.
Iba't iba.
Dumive.
Hindi lang
So,
fish.
Ako mahilig din
Hindi lang
sumisid.
fish.
Hindi lang sa tubig.
Kumbaga parang marami pa namang choices, or I do believe that there is someone out there for all of us. So if that person na nagustuhan ko and then I fall in love with that person, I tell them that I like them and then ayaw nilang i-continue with me, then I just let them go. Kasi I think I have to also put value sa sarili ko,
Yeah.
'di ba? Kasi I don't wanna be forcing myself to someone who doesn't wanna settle with me, 'di ba?
Totoo naman.
Yeah, and I think every
yeah.
girl and guy, but mostly girls, should be not afraid to seek clarity.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
Go ahead.
trust patterns or over promises and sticky situations, you have to know what you want.
Tsaka
When you know
ako
what you
eh.
want, and especially if you are super secure,
Yeah.
then you can make sabay with the guy or girl, whoever. If, kung, sige, you know what? Since you don't want what I want, you could actually look around. You
Yeah.
know what? I'm gonna start
Open
dating.
your
I'm gonna start dating other
Open
people.
your what?
Open your options,
And-
not your legs, ah.
And the one thing with me, the thing why we're probably different,
Yeah.
even though you know what we both clearly state our boundaries, is I've never stopped any girl from seeing another guy or gotten jealous because she's dating another guy, she's talking while I'm there. I've always given them, you choose, you know what you want, bahala ka. Para I give them the power. I'm not a guy that will clamp down and own and possess. I don't, because I don't like it.
Ikaw. I mean, so, what can you advise, like, the younger people who are listening to us, when it comes to dating, given your experience? Right?
For me, you respect yourself. Yun lang. Kasi,
How do you do that?
well, be yourself, but you always have to value what makes you sane. Alam mo yun, like, when you get into that mental, parang nababaliw ka na, and then this guy is just giving you the narcissist attitude, then run.
Okay.
I mean, open your options for other opportunity.
On that note,
Ganon.
given that 20 years ago, hindi kayo nag-date, magkapit-bahay kayo, given the opportunity right now that you're both single, will you date Tony? Ito kasi ginagawa ko sa boys nun. Talaga.
15 years
well,
nga, 15
you know
years
what?
nga.
Tony is not the person who wants, paano pag na-inlove ako kay Tony? Tapos,
Tas
alam ko
ayaw
na
niya.
ngayon na ayaw
Very
niya ng,
good.
di ba? Ayaw niya ng ganong klaseng relationship.
So why would you waste your time?
So why would I, no, I mean like, I wanna save the friendship. Kasi if ganun yung mindset ni Tony, and yung mindset ko is, I am looking for that future relationship partner, hindi kami magtutugma. So I'd rather just keep the friendship.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Oo.
Ako
And
naman.
pwede naman kami mag-date pero no sex.
Okay.
Ano lang,
You wanna ask me the
imagination.
question?
Imagination.
You wanna ask me the question?
Sige. Sige. Ano, would you date Sherry? I mean, stupid mo naman if you say no.
I'm willing to end the friendship. I don't fucking care.
On that note,
I just wanna fuck. Let's just break the friendship. 20 years.
Let's
Right?
destroy the 25
When I
years
first
of
met you
friendship.
entering showbiz and I said
Diba?
hi and you know what I mean, like I don't give
Siraan na lang,
I don't
siraan
care
na.
anymore.
Siraan na ng pagkakaibigan to, guys.
I don't care.
Ay.
She's a hot single mom, so I'm willing to risk the
A
friendship.
MILF ba? MILF.
MILF. Capital MILF. Oh, I'm willing to risk the friendship. No, I'm just joking. Honestly, I think you know this more than Sherry, that I can keep my dick in my pants. As much as we both have a dirty mouth, a dirty mind,
Yeah.
ang libog namin, well, I can speak for myself. I think I have the discipline. If I want to, I want to. If I don't want to, I can control my urges. And I think that's hard for a lot of us guys. Is discipline to not want to have sex and forcing ourselves
onto others.
onto others. And it's I was once there, but it took a certain kind of skill set to
Learn.
how to abstain, learn how to
Learn how to control yourself.
fast,
like-
learning how to cut out certain things in my life that don't serve me anymore. But it was a process. Hindi naman biglang okay, I don't have sex. I can control. It took a lot of time and energy to be able to get
But
to where
it
I'm at.
can be done. I guess the whole takeaway for this episode is, while listening to the both of you, number one, I learned that love is freedom, which is, I agree with that. Number two, I also learned that you have to open your options, not your legs, right?
Yeah.
Number three, always have the power with you.
Yes.
If you're gonna say something, if you're gonna ask something, make sure that you're part of the decision making.
Yeah.
And number four,
think
Sherry
think
will,
like a man.
Sherry will not date Tony, but Tony can end the friendship. Okay.
That's so
Thank you
funny.
so much.
Tony is willing
Oh.
to break the friendship.
Also, I think another important thing is because we're hearing so many in a hookup culture, and situationships are more than ever, and less people are getting married worldwide. I think communicating, no matter what, to savor that friendship. Communicating, no matter how much emotional investment you have done into that person. I'm a kind of guy that will always try to communicate, but there are times where situationships get sticky, and if you don't want to talk to me, I'll give you that time. But if you are anyone I've been with or slept with, I will always try to make things right. It may not be now, may not be tomorrow, but I will always be that first person to say sorry or
Okay. They can learn
Apologize,
a lot
yeah.
from you, but for our next episode, I have to segue. We're gonna talk about confidence, attraction, and the pressure people carry into sex and dating. So we talked about dating now, a little bit of the hookup culture and how it's different from before. But in the next episode, we'll talk about your confidence and how attraction can seep into how you present yourself when you are dating. That's it. Thank you so much, Sherry.
Thank you so much for having me. This
Please
is a very
come again.
interesting
I haven't had you yet. I haven't had you yet.
conversation.
Come and come again. Yes.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
How many times?
10 times. Kaya mo.
Oh, wait, they have something to
Kaya mo.
promote. They have something to promote.
Yeah. Can I promote my podcast
go,
also?
Oh, yeah, please.
Yeah, please do watch Too Hot for Podcast. It's actually with Rico Robles and Phoebe Walker. Actually, Tony's our next guest on that episode. Maybe next time we should guest Doc Rica also.
yeah.
Actually, lagi kasing hindi siya pwede eh. But guys, please do support Too Hot for Podcast on Spotify.
Kamusta ba ang guesting ko?
And,
Okay ba?
okay. Gusto ka nga namin ibalik ulit eh.
Oh, ikaw lang.
Alam mo, dapat meron tayong 5 eh.
Diba?
Baka
Dapat.
dalawang araw yung
Feeling ko
podcast
masaya
na
yun. I think mga 1 month na episode yun. Oo.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And also, please do follow my social media platforms. Cherie VB420 on my Instagram. Cherie Vidal Bautista 2 on my Facebook channel. And Cherie on Top TV on YouTube.
Sherry on
Yeah.
top. Thank you,
Thank you.